The Polar GritX is an uncompromising combination of rugged and durable, yet lightweight design. The ultra-long battery life and multiple power save options make sure it won't let you down, even on your longest adventures. With the third-party app Komoot, you can plan your route, import it onto your Polar GritX, and let the turn-by-turn guidance take care of navigation for you. Using Komoot routes on your GritX is easy. First, make sure you have both Polar Flow and Komoot accounts. Open the Polar Flow app and choose General Settings. Swipe the Komoot button to connect the accounts. Tap Connect and fill in your Komoot username and password. Tap Grant Access to complete the connection. Open the Komoot app. You can plan your route by selecting Plan or use routes planned by other users. Tapping Plan New Route opens the Route Planning view. In the Route Planning view, choose the sport for your session and adjust the fitness level if needed. Once your route is planned, tap Save and give your route a name. Open the Polar Flow app and choose Favorites. Your Komoot routes should be visible in the Routes view. Sync your GritX to save your Komoot route to it. Use a Komoot route in your session by pressing the Light button or tap to enter the Quick menu. Choose Routes from the list and pick the Komoot route you want to do. Choose where you want to start the route, start point or mid-route. Your GritX might ask you to calibrate the compass. Follow the instructions on the display to calibrate. Choose the sport profile you want to use and start your session. Route Start Found is displayed when you reach it, and then you're ready to go. When you import your route directly from Komoot, your watch guides you through the route with turn-by-turn instructions. You'll get a summary of your training session on your watch right after you've stopped training. Your GritX training summary gives you an overview of your training session. Sync your watch with the Flow app after training to get an instant overview and feedback on your training results and performance. With Polar GritX, you can take your outdoor training to new heights.